ito pa po, may mga bali-balita po na mukhang wala raw talaga siyang planong sumuko at kinakalong siya ng ilang maimpluwensyang pamilya dyan sa Davao. Attorney, anong masasabi niyo dyan?
I do not have any personal knowledge about that, no, because I have not been in communication with him. Although prior to the issuance of the warrant of arrest, nagkausap kami anong mga gawain. Mga haka-haka lamang yan, no?
Kailan niyo po huling nakausap si Mr. Kibuloy, attorney?
March ata yun, prior to the issuance of the warrant of arrest. My only point here, sir, is that marami na kasi masyadong violations ngayon dito. May namatay na.
Pero saan po kayo kumukuha ng legal directive ngayon mula sa inyong kliyente, attorney, kung hindi kayo magkausap ng direkta?
When you are a lawyer, sir, you always discuss the client of the possible scenarios that may happen in the case. And based on that declarations and authority given by your client, you are legally obliged to defend him with any and all legal remedies that are available to you, no? And besides, I am also in communication with the Board of Administrators of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ. So no problem about that, sir.
Okay. So sa pangkalahatang pamunuan po ng KOJC, kayo kumukuha rin ng otoridad, attorney. That's what you're saying, no?
Yes. Hindi na ko may general guidelines ako na sinunod instruction si Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy prior to the issuance of the warrant of arrest.
Ibig kong sabihin, attorney, kay dating Pangulong Duterte kayo kumukuha ng utos ngayon kasi siya ang caretaker, di ba? Tinalagang caretaker ng KOJC assets.
Insofar as the properties are concerned, he is the administrator of the property. But insofar as the day-to-day, what's it called, these judgments, no, concerning handling the case, no, I follow the general instructions of Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy. I have been his lawyer for quite a time already.
Pero meron po kayong direktang utos na nanggagaling kay dating Pangulong Duterte, attorney?
Kay Presidente Duterte, no, except nung June 10, nung the day of infamy, the day after it happened, no, we had a conversation, and he told me to file appropriate cases as against the violation of the property rights of KOJC.
Okay. So direktang may ano pala siya. Meron din talaga siyang direktang hand para sa pagpoprotekta nitong KOJC compound na ito, attorney.
Right after June 10, we had that conversation, no? And the answer to that is, being the administrator, he has the obligation also to do what is necessary. And the property rights of KOJC was violated, it was just but rightful on his part to instruct me to file cases against those responsible for the violation.